Welcome back to Yalaletgo. So I started the vlog because I wanted to record all my layovers as a flight attendant, and I just mentioned that COVID just started, so I'm not really going to be flying a lot. This is my first layover since coming back to work, and I'm going to record it. I'm here in Bogota, Colombia. I got 24 hours. I just got here. It's 10 o'clock at night. Well, it's 12 now. I landed at 10. So I'm down to 22 hours. I'm going to show you the hotel room. I'm going to go sleep a little bit, wake up, get some breakfast, and then see how much we can get done in one day. Yeah, let's go. All right, so this is the hotel room. Not too shabby. Oh, shower's nice. Good morning. It's like 7 a.m. I'm running a little bit late, but I'm eating breakfast before I go. It's supposed to rain at like 2 p.m. today, so I brought a poncho. We'll see what we can do. First thing I want to start with is a hike up to Monserrate. There's a church up there. It's a 2,600 feet elevation hike. Should be tough. You start at like around 8,000. You get up to 10,000 something feet of elevation, so it's going to be pretty tough. Right now I'm eating some breakfast, some scrambled eggs. You got these things. These are some type of Colombian food with eggs inside. It's really good. And of course, my favorite thing in the world, fresh mango. Yalaletgo. Okay, so the hike was closed, unfortunately, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead of doing that, I'm gonna take the funicular both ways, so up and down. And it's basically like a cable car that's on the ground, so it's like built into the mountain. They also have a cable car that's in the air, but it's only open after 12 and it's too early for me. So here, check it out. Yeah, so still going up. Yeah, a long way to go. Yeah, it's about 2,500 feet up. So you start at about 8,000 and you get up to around 10,500 feet elevation. Pretty high up. All right, at the top of Monserrate now. I'm gonna go look for the church and the view of the city. Oh my God, it looks beautiful from here. All right, so apparently everything's closed until 12, including the church. So I'm just gonna walk around and look at the views from the mountain. It's really beautiful here. You hear birds chirping. I'll be quiet for a second so you could hear it. And look at these views. Okay, so that's the inside of the church. We're getting it ready. It's not open till about 11 or 12. So I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go try to get on the Transmicable, which is the cable cars. Okay. So I gotta look at the church. Got some nice views of the city. It's definitely worth coming here. So when you're on a 24-hour layover, you can't be picky. You take what you can get. The view's not as nice as you want it to be, you come next time. If something's closed, you know, you just go to the next thing. But so far so good. The views were beautiful here. I didn't get to go inside the church, but I got to see it from the outside in, so that's nice. And like just walking around this place, it's just stunning. You got like birds and butterflies. The birds are chirping nonstop. Beautiful colored plants. You see the clouds just misting through the mountains. It's really beautiful. If you're part of the Christian faith, there's a lot of sentimental stuff here for you as well. It's really nice. I just came down from the funicular from Monserrate, and guess what I just found right here at the bottom? You're not gonna believe it. Look at this little guy. Hola. He has sunglasses on. He's so cute. So I'm in the Uber now. I'm going to Transmicable. I'm gonna take the cable car, hopefully from there to Plaza de Bolivar, which is where all the government buildings and stuff are. I'm gonna go check out that area. I'm on the highway now and just driving around, and well, I'm driving to the area that I'm going to, and this city is full of graffiti, which basically means that it's a very expressive city. They like to say how they feel, and usually that's done through art. It's very common in a lot of cities like Rome. Cable car now. It's called Transmicable. It takes you over the whole, what looks like the residential area of the city. I think it was made for people who live in these residential areas to be able to get to the city more easily and more quickly. The views are amazing. It's totally worth doing. Look at this. Okay, so I'm in Plaza de Bolivar. It's the main plaza in Bogota. Right behind me, that's Catedral Primada. That's the main cathedral of Bogota. Now right behind me is Nacional Capital, which is the capital building of Colombia. You got some other important buildings here, I'm sure. And then you got a lot of pigeons. So the Capitol building's closed to tourists right now. I'm not sure if it's always closed. I'm gonna go into the cathedral if I can. But first I'm gonna feed some pigeons. Uh-oh. Here they come. Damn! Whoa! Okay, so I'm in Museo Santa Clara, right next to the president's house. It looks like a Roman Catholic church in Italy in here. Look at this. So this used to be a Catholic church, clearly. Now it's just a museum. This style here looks very Spanish, like from Spain. All right, let's see what's next on the list. Gracias. That on the left is the president's house. Not supposed to be filming it, but. Okay, so the church was closed. Most of the plaza was closed. It was nice to go and see it, but I think it's better if I come back when everything's open. So I'm gonna try to walk to the Gold Museum now. It's a few blocks away, so there's a busy street on the way. I have a bunch of restaurants and people selling stuff. Unfortunately, a lot of stuff was closed today, which it happens. You know, when you're on a layover, it's not like you can plan the trip and you can make reservations. You gotta go with the flow, roll with the punches, and then whatever happens, happens. I did a lot today. I'm gonna leave it at that. Right now I'm in a taqueria, Mexican food, even though I'm in Colombia. And then I'm gonna go back to the hotel, take a quick nap, and then fly home. Hopefully the next layover, I'll be able to do a lot more because it'll be open. All right, yalla, let go.